Hello, my name is Chad, and I'm here to assist you with questions about the Cami Tech portfolio.
Yeah, Chad, can you tell me about Evergrace, one of the recent projects you worked on?
Evergrace is a project listed in our portfolio. It's an AI-driven lead capture and appointment handling system, specifically designed for funeral homes. The system is built to manage inbound inquiries and convert them into structured leads for book appointments.
That'll be enough. Thank you for the information. Have a nice one. So you want to add AI to your website. I'm going to show you how to do it in 5 minutes. But first, I'm going to cover why you even want to do this in the first place, how to do it if you need to do it, and I'll show you a quick example of where I've done it. All right, let's get into it. So the first thing is the purpose. Why do you want AI on your website in the first place? I believe if you are not doing it for one of these two reasons, you shouldn't bother at all. The first reason is to capture leads and book calls. That's the number one purpose of AI on websites. Capture leads, book calls. So if you're not booking calls for your business, I don't think you should put AI on your website. The second reason is to answer people's questions. So if your business is like a heavy FAQ type business, when it's like the customers know a lot of information before they eventually make a buying decision, your AI on your website can speed them through that process. Okay, so those are the first two big reasons why you want to put AI on your website. One, to book calls, and secondly, to give knowledge and answer questions, right? All right, cool. So that is the purpose. Now, that's covered. You now should know if you need to put AI on your website or not. That said, how can you do it? First, let me clarify what kind of AI you are putting on your website. There are two types you could possibly do. First, you could put a web voice agent, meaning an agent that sits on the page and is able to speak to your web visitors. And second, you have a chat agent, a regular chatbot, where you type, you send the response, you receive a reply, right? Regular ChatGPT type shit. Those are the two kinds you can put on your website, right? So with that in mind, how can you do that really easily? There are two main ways. First is if you are a developer, if you are very technical minded, you could work with APIs and build out your software, right? Or you can even try vibe coding it, it might not work. But you could basically just like go take the OpenAI API, build it out. Or you could go to platforms who have already done it and simply add your prompts, right? An example of platforms that might have done this is Vitel, Vapi, 11 Labs even, and Cami AI, right? Which is my own proprietary software. So let me show you a quick example of where you would do this. So let's say Cami AI, for example. Let me log in real quick. All right, cool, I'm in. So what you do here is pretty simple. We are more focused on putting AI on landing pages, right? So let's say you have your landing page here and you can configure it. The parts you want to be really focused on when you're adding AI to your website is the user experience, right? If you are using platforms, if you're a developer, we'll have a different video on how to do it using all those APIs and stuff. But if you are not a developer, you just simply want to put AI on your website in 5 minutes, the easiest way is to use platforms like this. This is Cami AI. You could also use Vitel, Vapi, all those I mentioned earlier. And you will simply want to type a prompt, right? Type a prompt in here and have it good enough for your AI, right? You can also test it. Make sure your prompt is good and save your prompt, right? Let's say, if you don't know how to save a prompt, you simply just save changes somewhere on the platform, right? And then you save your prompt, and that's that. Now, once you've done that, the second part of the puzzle is taking some sort of code and putting it on your own website. And all the platforms do this, including Vitel, Vapi, Ultravox, all of them. So usually they will give you some sort of AI widget, right? And you can then take that widget, a code that looks something like this, you copy it and then you give it to your developer to put on your website. Or if you are using a vibe coding platform, you can easily take this code and put it on your website. Once you've done that, you would see an AI widget that looks like this, right? So the way we build ours, you are able to chat with it and you're able to speak with it. So both chat and voice is automatically configured using your prompt, right? And you can also modify it, change everything up, like change the colors and whatnot, right? All that is configurable. But once you've done all the configurations you want to do, you copy this and you go put it on the website, okay? So now I'm going to show you an example of a website where I put this particular one on. Portfolio, we created a new landing page for some of the recent projects that we worked on. And we put the AI on this page as well. So I'm going to talk to the AI and you can see what it sounds like. Okay, let's start a call.
Hello, my name is Chad, and I'm here to assist you with questions about the Cami Tech portfolio.
Yeah, Chad, can you tell me about Evergrace, one of the recent projects you worked on?
Evergrace is a project listed in our portfolio. It's an AI-driven lead capture and appointment handling system, specifically designed for funeral homes. The system is built to manage inbound inquiries and convert them into structured leads for booked appointments.
That'll be enough. Thank you for the information. Have a nice one. All right, so that's an example of the voice agent, and then chat would do the same thing as well. You do need to input your email address here, and you can have a conversation with it. Same way, right? You chat with it, it's the same prompt, it uses it across both places. All right, so that's basically it for putting AI on your website. If you'd like us to help you do something like this or give you access to our platform, then leave a comment below or book a call with me and we can set everything up. If you enjoyed that, like the video, subscribe, all that jazz, and I will catch you in the next one.